guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video first time, my name is Meena Desi and today tutorial about the how to contour and bronzer at the same time like a pro. If you are beginner, this is the easy step to follow. Using cream contour sticks and powder bronzer. After skincare, apply your favorite foundation or BB cream. Grab any cream contour stick. Contour products typically lean more cool tone and are used to create shadows, sculpt and add dimension your face with shading. Where should place the contour? From corner of top of the eye, apply dot here. This will be create bony structure and slim the face. From corner of the eye, go straight to the down where the cheek dip out. Apply dot here. This going to create shadow and structures. Apply in the nose to add dimension to your nose and give it a sculpted look. Apply in the forehead, help to change the shape of the forehead. Apply in the jawline can help to slim, reshape and refine the look of your entire face. Corner of the eyes dot always blend upward to hairline to give you lifted effects. Diffuse the dot completely. Blend out the cheek dot, keep it in the place, always stay in the place. Take it down, this create depth and structures. And blend out till the smooth and seamless look. Nose blend out downward and onward the eyelid and create shadow and give the shape and blend out till the smooth. Always blend out forehead upward. And blend out jawline downward. How to apply the concealer? Now contour gives you shadow. Concealer cleans the shadow and gives you highlights. Where should we apply the concealer? Inner corner of eyes, outer corner of eyes, little bit concealer around the nose, forehead, chin and near the mouth. Blend the corner of the eye and corner of the nose together first. Take it out and upward. Then blend out rest of the concealer but keep it in the place. After blend out, let it dry few minutes. Then apply the loose translucent powder to hold all concealer and apply very slightly. Use the big fluffy brush and dust out all powder. Now ready for the powder bronzer. To set the cream counter and add some warmth and depth. But don't apply directly on the skin. Buff out on your hand, then apply. Next, I'm doing eye makeup, so I'm using same bronzer as eyeshadow and apply in the whole eyelid and eye crease. Then complete rest of the makeup. Apply eye pencil in the waterline. Apply same powder bronzer, lower eyelashes and smoke out. Apply mascara to give eye bigger and fuller, and next apply powder blush, highlighter and nude lipstick. This is my final look. So guys, I hope you guys love watching my video. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe, likes, comments and share the video. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you soon guys. Love you all. Bye.